An Elegy on the Glory of Her Sex, Mrs. Mary Blaize, by Dr. Oliver Goldsmith. Illustrations by Randolph Caldecott. The year 1769. Good people all, with one accord, lament for Madame Blaize, who never wanted a good word from those who spoke her praise. The needy seldom passed her door, and always found her kind. She freely lent to all the poor, who left a pledge behind. She strove the neighborhood to please, with manners wondrous winning, and never followed wicked ways, unless when she was sinning. At church, in silks and satins new, with hoop of monstrous size, she never slumbered in her pew. But when she shut her eyes, her love was sought, I do aver, by 20 beaux and more. The king himself has followed her, when she has walked before. But now, her wealth and finery fled, her hangers-on cut short all. The doctors found, when she was dead, her last disorder mortal. Let us lament in sorrow sore, for Kent Street well may say, that had she lived a 12-month more, she had not died today. The end.